Okay, so here's my first clip. It's still dark, but I have this lantern for light. I mean, I have my phone, but I have a car charger, but my car is like, I don't know, a couple thousand yards away, but you can see the water in this bucket. See how full it is? So this is in my living room. It's leaking from the ceiling above me. I don't know if you can see this, but it's leaking from up there, and it's falling down into this bucket. Now I have another trash can here. It's leaking there. It's leaking coming in through the doors. Okay. So this is facing east. So I need this wind to change out of the southeast. So if this storm sits offshore, this house is going to be absolutely just sheetrock damage from the inside out. These are cups I have along my windows facing the eastern side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trash can really pouring here. And another trash can. The entire window is leaking. These things are almost halfway full. I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, this is going to be my first clip. But yeah, it's gotten pretty bad here. The wind is probably sustained now. I'm guessing. I have not been outside, but I'm guessing that wind is somewhere probably around 50 miles per hour. So I'll cut this one here. And again, I'll just put some clips together as I can. Definitely bad out. House is definitely moving. The windows are definitely getting pushed back, so we have water pouring in really from everywhere. See the water leak? It's pretty bad. Door crack. Inside the house. Inside. Crazy. Look at the floor. And this thing is just starting, guys. Just starting. This is going to be an incredible couple of days. I don't know if you can hear this out here. Something's just absolutely bang. Oh, I see it. Look. So that looks like our wireless internet modem or whatever that thing is that goes on top of the house. That's outside. That's my world peace flag. But this is the issue right now, guys. This is the issue. It's bad outside. I mean, we're not unsafe. Everybody's good. Kids are still asleep, but it's definitely coming down on my house. Really bad.